Hey guys, Na here. Hope you're safe and healthy during this lockdown period. I created this simple and extremely delicious, juicy and succulent roasted chicken thighs recipe for you to try during the staying home period. You need very few ingredients to get this deliciousness. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Oyokwate and my food blog at See My Cho, everywhere. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. So you need 1 red onion that's been chopped up, a couple of ginger and about 1 kilo of chicken thighs. I bought a box of it, so this is very useful. And olive oil and a bit of butter and also your asanka bowl. And for spices, I'm using Widiaba. I don't know if you know the Widiaba, but this is a beautiful, very strong, pungent spice that I love. And we're going to start off by chopping our ginger. So I like to chop it up before I grind it in a asanka bowl, right? And also garlic. Did I mention garlic? I didn't mention garlic earlier. So you also need garlic. That has also been chopped up, and I'm going to grind all of this in my bowl. And grinding it with also the Widiaba Spice. So what I do is I soak my Widiaba for about 10 minutes before I crush it in the bowl, right? So it's more combined and it's more fragrant with the other spices. So here we are, also with a bit of salt. So I add the salt in at this stage, just a little bit of salt for the spices. And then we'll be adding a bit of rosemary. So if you have rosemary to dried rosemary, that's great. And anise seed, if you have that too, that's fine. So this is going to marinate in here for about 30 minutes. If you make this overnight, that's great. So I've added my onions. You can also mince the onions, and then my olive oil in there. So the olive oil renders more moist flavor in there. It makes the chicken more juicy when you're roasting. And then of course my butter. So this is my secret ingredient. I put the butter into the chicken under the skin before roasting. So the butter also of course gives it great flavor. And what you want to do is also to oil up your roasting pan to prevent the chicken from sticking when you are roasting, and make sure all your spices are on the chicken as well. So about in 20 minutes time you can baste your chicken. So basting basically means you are slathering on the butter and all the fats that dripped out onto the chicken. So that makes it extra juicy. So here I have a mix of mustard and honey. That'll be my final basting. So I put it on just before the chicken is almost ready. You know, it imparts great, beautiful flavor as well. Delicious. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yes, beautiful roasted chicken, homemade, amazing flavor, guys. You'll love this. You have to try it. Please try this recipe, I'm begging you, because I can't keep the deliciousness to myself. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been really amazing for me, and I love to share it with you. And let me know what you think when you try it. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram, wherever you might find this recipe. Follow me on Instagram at seemycho.com, at Oyokwate. And guys, don't forget to wash your hands under running water. Use your hand sanitizer. Stay in and don't let COVID-19 win. Stay safe, guys.